Click on the link below to get price. The Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier, designed to cover areas up to 640 square feet, is a reliable solution for tackling unwanted moisture in spaces like basements and bathrooms. With a capacity of 12.5 pints, this dehumidifier effectively manages humidity levels, making it an essential appliance in combating mold and mildew while promoting a healthier indoor environment. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its user-friendly interface. It comes equipped with a clear digital display that allows users to easily set the desired humidity level. The automatic shut-off feature is particularly commendable. It activates once the tank reaches its capacity, preventing overflow and ensuring peace of mind. Performance-wise, the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier excels in its energy efficiency. Operating on low power consumption while effectively removing moisture, it's an eco-friendly option that won't significantly impact your electricity bill. Additionally, the unit operates quietly, making it suitable for use even in shared living spaces without causing disruption. The design is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move from room to room as needed. The built-in handle and wheels contribute to its portability, allowing for convenient repositioning. The removable water tank is easy to clean and empty, which is another big plus for users who prioritize maintenance. In terms of aesthetics, the dehumidifier sports a sleek and modern look that fits well with most home decors. The neutral color scheme ensures it doesn't clash with your existing furnishings. In conclusion, the Electric Air Smart Dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone dealing with excess moisture in their home. With its effective performance, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features, it serves as a practical solution for maintaining a comfortable living environment. Whether you're protecting your basement from humidity or ensuring your bathroom stays dry, this dehumidifier is up to the task.